Hola, señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. For today, well, the first thing that you have to do in the first 5 minutes of class is in this photo, discussion, and the question says, ¿Qué te gusta más? In the comments below, respond to this question in a complete sentence. I want you to notice that it has two options. ¿Qué te gusta más? Usar la computadora o leer revistas. Meaning that you have to choose which one you like better and then answer in a complete sentence. And I actually gave you the beginning of the sentence here so you can complete your sentence. Then, as I mentioned last class, we're going to learn how to say things in a negative way, what things we don't like to do. And also we're going to learn how to agree or disagree with people and things that we like or we don't like. So we are going to work on that today. Here's the grammar video. We're going to watch the parts corresponding to the negative in agreeing and disagreeing. And you will find your video for instructions here. And I put the link for the new vocabulary. Also the link for the slideshow with the new vocabulary. And once you read the information about negatives and agreement or disagreement that you copied last class, and you already watched the video, the grammar video, then you're going to complete this activity. Actividad 1A 3. Okay, you're going to put your last name, first name, select your class. You already know the procedure. And you're going to answer ¿Te gusta o no te gusta? We're going to go over this activity during class, but if you are absent from class for any reason or you just didn't get it during the class, I put a video right here. It says how to complete Actividad 1A3. Watch this video. So I put a video there with instructions. So I'm not going to go over those instructions right now, over this activity, because the video is there and we will be doing it during class. Then you have a homework where you're going to complete Actividad 1A2. For this activity, we're going to practice our agreeing and disagreeing. So, it's a conversation between two people. And this person says, a mí me gusta mucho practicar deportes. ¿A ti te gusta? And then the person says, sí. So we see that these two people are agreeing. When we agree, we learn that the answer will be, a mí también. A mí también. Period. So notice that this one is a special character and this one is a special character. If you still don't have your keyboard with the Spanish characters, please let me know and we'll install it on your computer so you can use the special character. So you're just going to put what goes there. We go to the next one. It says, me gusta usar la computadora. ¿A ti te gusta? And then the other person says no. So this person likes, this person doesn't like, means that they don't agree. So when they don't agree, you need to make a new statement. So the person is saying no, so I'm going to say what I don't like to do. So we learned that to say something in negative in Spanish, you just put no before the verb. So I say no to answer the question and then no me gusta, because that's why I say I don't like, usar la computadora. Period. And this one says no me gusta ver la tele, a ti te gusta, and the person answers no. That means they agree. So what we use for that. So we will go over this. I hope we had time to do it during the class, even when it's the homework. Also, you have an activity. I missed this one. You have an activity right here. It's an audio activity. So it's an audio activity. And it says, you can learn a lot about a person from what he or she likes to do. You will hear two people from each group of three describe themselves. Play the audio recording provided in the plan. That's right here. Listen and match the description to the appropriate pictures. Select the image of each person described. You must select two per each question. You will hear each set of statements twice. And this is how we're going to do it. You listen to the recording.
Hola, me gusta hablar por teléfono. Hola, me gusta mucho nadar.
And you select what they are saying and just mark it.
Hola, me gusta tocar la guitarra.
You listen to what they're saying, you select the ones that you hear. You have to check two per question. And then it gives you 20 points each one. That's very simple. Just pay attention to what you hear and then check. Okay? And that's all you have to do today. You are not turning in anything on Canvas today because all you have to do it is on the discussion, and then you have 1 and 2 forms to complete and 3 forms for the homework. All right. So as always, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you later. Nos vemos.